When you ask me, how did I used to see people who were homeless before I became homeless? And the thing is, I didn't see them because, I was a college graduate. I thought of myself on a certain high level. So I didn't even see homeless people. They were invisible. I spent close to 6 years in the shelter system. And towards the end, it got very dark. I reached a low point. I was ready to take my life. I even had the bridge picked out. I went there one night because I had lost all my hope and I didn't think I could go on anymore. But then life intervened. At the shelter, fortunately, they had an on site care for the homeless clinic. And that is what got me on the road to recovery as far as mental health, because that was something that I wasn't willing to address up to that point. Care for the homeless helped me individually. They built me from the inside out. They got me to a place where I believed in myself. And from there, I was able to do what I needed to do.
As all of us who live in New York City know, homelessness is a citywide phenomenon. And so if we want to meet the needs of people experiencing homelessness in New York City, we've got to be in lots of different places. And in fact, we've established 25 locations throughout New York City, now in all 5 boroughs, where we can meet the needs of people who are experiencing homelessness. But we need to be more than a vet. We've got to provide a range of services. We've got to provide primary care services. We've got to provide behavioral care services, mental health services, and substance use services. We need to provide dental services. And what this means is that we view a person as a whole. We look at all of their needs and try to meet those needs with various services provided at each of our centers.
I primarily use care for the homeless mental health services, but I also do use the medical services. And now here it is, 5 years later, still being able to say, hi, my name is Dennis, and I'm formerly homeless. I'm extremely grateful to Care for the Homeless because they played an integral part in saving my life